Top quotes of Imam Ali Khamenei. We have no desire for dependency upon the powers from either side, neither East nor West. The foundations of Islamic religious democracy are different from Western democracy. Our fundamental goal is that the oppressed in the world are able to find the power to decide their own fate. Exceptions include the United States and the Zionist regime. They are illegitimate. The idea of human rights can be seen to underlie throughout Islamic teachings. Those who have been outspoken have themselves, in advocating human rights, grabbed the most fundamental rights from third world countries.